We arrived at the passport office at 9:02 and were the second people in line. We were given our passport agent and we gave her all our papers. First off, she did not like the passport picture because it wasn't signed by AAA. Just happens to be on the first floor of the building the passport office is in, has a place to take your picture. So we had to go down there to get the picture taken. So the passport agent told us that because we were getting expedited service to get our passport that day, instead of having just 2 references, we needed 4. And I said, well, who are we supposed to use? She said, aunts and uncles. And I said, take a look at us. We're old. Everybody is dead. I got 2 people from our church to vouch for Bruce and gave that information to the passport lady. And I was hoping we were finished with the problems. Then the passport lady tells us that we need to get a guarantor. Well, where do we get that? She says you have to get an attorney to be your guarantor. We just happen to have one in the building, of course. So we go down to that office and they tell us, sure, they'll do it. No problem. It'll be $40, but it's got to be paid in Canadian money. But they won't take American money, and they won't take any credit cards or a check. So we had to go to the bank to exchange our money, and we had to walk 4 blocks in freezing cold weather and then come back and try again. By this time, we were both ready to have a nervous breakdown. But we took all our paperwork back up to the passport agent. She finally looks it all over again, gives us the stamp of approval, and now we have to pay her $160 for the passport, $110 for the expediting of the passport, $40 for the attorney, and $20 for the picture, for a grand total of $330. However, she says come back at 3 o'clock and your passport will be ready for you. It is now about 11:30, and we decide rather than just stick around downtown Windsor, we were going to take a ride around and see things. We had lunch first, and then we started on our ride about in Windsor. We got back to downtown Windsor just about 3 o'clock, and Bruce went up to the passport office, and the lady that gives you your number to get waited on said, what's your name? And he told her, and she says, here's your passport. Oh, you have no idea what a relief that was to have that passport. So now we drive down to the river to get to the tunnel to come back to the good old USA. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.